Hi guys, Tara here from Divine by Designs, and today I'm going to make a extra large tree topper bow using this gorgeous ribbon from Hobby Lobby. So let's get started. So what this is right here is the Easy Bow Maker. I am obsessed with it. I do not earn any commission at all. I literally just love it. I've made so many bows by hand, and this just makes it so much easier. The dowels hold the bow or the ribbon in place, and then this one is for the rolls. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut some wire. I usually make it 24 inches long because these bows are for Christmas trees. So, you know, we want to make sure that there is enough of wire to go around the tree. So when I do these bows, I do both of the ribbons at the same time because it makes it a lot quicker, right? So you literally just match them up together like this. And then you want to start with the pretty side down, okay? So we're going to start with the pretty side down. Put it right here. And then we are going to measure a 6-inch loop. So I always just kind of flatten it like this. Put my finger there. Get more ribbon. Okay, I fold it down. Right? And then I put it in the middle. And in the middle, you flip it again. So the pretty side is always face down when you're making a loop. So my bows, my tree topper bows, are 6-inch loops, and there's 28 of them. So we're going to do this 7 times on each side because remember the ribbon is doubled. Okay. And it's literally just repeating this over and over and over again. So like I said, this ribbon is from Hobby Lobby, and the floral wire I got at one of my wholesale stores, but you could probably get it at Hobby Lobby. I know for a fact Michael's has it too. And I did buy this Easy Bow Maker from Michael's with like a 40% off coupon. So I think it literally cost me like $15, literally. So keep an eye out if you want one for when they have coupons, but I would make sure if they have it because I got it a while ago. So like I said, just keep repeating this process. You know, and you just want to make sure, like I said, that that ribbon is flat so that it's pretty even for the end when we do the tails, which I will show you. We're just not there yet. There we go. Now gonna get this wire and pull it super tight. See? Twist it around a little bit. Okay. Now we are going to cut this right here. And now it's time for the tails. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I always check just in case. So literally take the rest off of the roll. Normally, so this ribbon is 2.5 inches, 30 feet, which is 3 yards, and that's usually standard for a ribbon. So the size of the bow with the leftover ribbon, the tails are about 7 feet long. And I do 4 tails. So 4 7-foot long tails. So you see, we're just gonna unravel this. Okay, take this tape off. Get this away. Okay, so now here's the piece of ribbon, see? Just gonna pull it. Have it all smooth and facing one side. All right. Okay, fold it together. And then okay, keep doing this. It's a little annoying, but just be patient. You're gonna love it. Okay, here we go. Cut it right here. Oh, sorry if you hear barking. That is my German Shepherd down there. There's probably a squirrel outside, God only knows. So we're gonna leave that there. I'm gonna put these scissors right on top of it. And now I'm gonna get the second piece and literally do the same thing. Okay. Match it together. Just keep smoothing it out with your hands. All right. Okay. I'm gonna just put these wire cutters there, cut this. Okay, so make sure now, after you cut the ribbon, when you put it all together, it all needs to be facing the same way. Okay, so we have 4 pieces, ooh, all facing the same way. All of the ends are matched up, right? So here we go. Okay, then you're going to pinch it like this, put it right here, and again, pull really tight and twist. Okay, now putting this to the side, same thing. We're gonna smooth out all 4 of the tails because they're never exactly the same length ever. Close to it, but never exact. So what we're gonna do is smooth it out again, cut it exact, make a little pretty design. Right, see? This one flipped over. Again, all this is patience. And then you're good to go. Okay, so now these are the ends. See, they're all different sizes. So what I'm gonna do is I look at the shortest one here. That's the shortest. I'm just gonna cut it. It's okay if the cut's not perfect because we're gonna cut it again. All right, put that there. And then you're gonna fold it in half. Cut from the corner up. Pretty, right? And just repeat it 3 more times. Now maybe this one may be a little higher, a little lower. It's not a big deal. No one's going to notice. You know, if you go to cut them, if you put all 4 together and cut them, sometimes it comes out very sloppy. So I have done it, but I prefer to do it like this. Okay. All right. Now the fluffing. I'm going to put the tail here. Okay. You see this little nub in the middle? Don't worry, you're never going to see it again. Separate them. That is the first step. And you can pull. Remember we made that super tight? You don't have to be gentle here. And you want to pull because you want to make sure you're getting as much out of the ribbon as you can, because there's a lot of ribbon and it gets really tight. So there. Okay. So that's one side. And then this side. Right? Remember, pull hard. Don't be gentle. Okay. Lift up a loop. That's it. So up and out. I always feel like I sound like a workout video when I do this. Up and out. Up and out. So the first step is just literally repeating this until every single loop is up and out. And then we're going to move around the loops to make sure there are no gaps. And that is it. Right, don't forget the back. Right, remember? Up, out. And you know, it's good for you to know how to do this, because let's say you even buy a bow, right? You're like, I am not making this, but let me buy one. That's fine, but let's be honest. When Christmas is over, we are just throwing stuff in storage and calling it a day, and then everything comes back all funky looking the next year. So you're going to have to do this regardless, unless you buy a new bow every single year, which if you do, that is awesome. But if you don't, you need to learn how to do this. See? Okay. Now I am going to flip this over because this is the part of the bow we're going to see. And I'm going to actually stand up so I could see how I'm styling it and you could see how I'm styling it too. Okay. So you see like that's bent. We want to kind of move that. There's really no like rule of thumb here except make sure there's no gaps, right? If you see a spot looking a little bare, move something. Okay, remember it's going to look like this on the tree, so. You see how that was like too narrow, right? Out, out. The more out it is, the fuller it looks. Okay. And I think that this is good. I hope you liked my bow tutorial, and I hope that it helps you this Christmas season. Just take a close-up look. Isn't this beautiful ribbon? I'm obsessed. Thinking about changing my Christmas colors to gold, but I have so many silver and blue ornaments, and it is so much money to change all of it. So I think I may do it slowly until I collect enough stuff over the next couple of years, and then I'm going to do it. But here's your first large tree topper bow. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish everyone a happy, safe, and healthy holiday season.